Hey, good morning, guys. Where are you going? Where are you going?
We're going to Fort Dickson.
Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Kuala Lumpur. The Kuala Lumpur is sleeping, but we are not. Look at the tower, yeah? And look at the town is sleeping. Everyone is sleeping. So, we are going to Piri. Let's fucking go. Oh, there is another boy getting ready. Bro, clean it up. What's up, dog? Good?
Wake up, bro.
Alright, brother. Look at the time, homie. It's 7 o'clock. You woke up, it's 6:30, bro.
It's fine, bro. Just chill, bro. No worries.
Yeah, let's go. You look like have a beach vibe, mate. Wait.
Gucci gang.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. What's wrong with you? Get ready, faster.
I'm gonna meet my God now, bro.
MashaAllah, bro is praying Fajr prayer. Let's pray together, man. The door, Malek. Let's go. Waiting for leave, yeah?
After you.
Surprise, yeah? Brother, good morning, Malek.
Morning, bro. Good morning, so.
Yeah, where are you going, though?
Morning.
Prediction, right?
Like.
You look handsome,
Oh, not more than you.
Yeah. Crazy, man. This sleep is so fast, yeah?
Mashallah.
We are here in the lobby. Look at the boys. Yeah. Press it, homie. Yeah, let's go.
That car, right?
I don't know, maybe this car, yeah. Alright, brother. Good morning, my brother. Good morning.
Yo, hi. Good
Hey,
morning.
sorry for late, bro.
No fucking bro, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's good, it's good. Can you open the trunk, please? Alright. Let's go, boys. Bismillah.
But please don't go fast, bro.
Oh, don't go fast, bro. You have trust issue now, huh?
I'll think about it lah.
Oh, bro.
I'll think about it.
Bro, please.
What about your license, bro? It's already expired, I think.
Ready,
Ah,
bro.
and
5
then
years.
renew back, huh?
Renew.
Crazy,
But
man.
bro, our life, I will not renew bro anymore.
Please, please.
You see?
You say I cannot trust this guy,
Hey,
huh?
fuck you, Sammy.
Bro, I love you.
No, I'm looking at Sammy, bro.
Bro, fuck Sammy. Best boy in the town, playing good music, on the way to production. Hey!
Yo. What's up? Good morning.
Let's go Monkey Beach.
Yeah, you're gonna party.
Go like this, from there. So everyone can eat.
Money, make it dance like broccoli. Make it dance like broccoli.
Come on. Hey!
The rush.
Oh, Malik.
Oh, bro.
What's up, dog?
Yes. I already bought from the 7-Eleven.
Alright, guys, we arrived in PD, but it's raining. Bro, like, it's raining, man.
It's raining, man.
Raining, unexpected. Unexpected thing. It's breakfast time because we are literally damn hungry, yeah. Let's get some food. Let's go, boys. Malek, what you want to eat, brother? What is this? What is this? Huh?
Bro.
Flexing your
1
body.
hour, bro, driving.
You already got the nice chest, huh?
You can see, bro. You cannot see it, but you just feel it, bro.
Okay. Since it's raining, let's get some coffee, man. Warm coffee, yeah. To the seaside.
Where is the heading, bro?
We are going over there.
What is this, bro? It's raining non-stop, man. I don't know what to do, but let's go get some food. We are walking to find a restaurant. I think there's a nasi kandar, I guess. Yeah, just go and find the food, man. Easy, man. This place off everything. I mean, like you're looking for food, every restaurant is off. So we are going to another restaurant, just coffee there. Hopefully we'll get something. Everyone looking for coffee.
Yeah, man.
You want some coffee, mate?
It's like a dead town, see?
That town, huh? Nothing is open.
Either we're too early or
I think, yeah, they open evening, I guess.
I think they just closed, bro.
So guys, finally we find a restaurant. They open. They were closed actually, but I'm the one who opened up. Got a lot of option. What are you ordering for, bro? This?
Crispy chicken plus the chicken, bro.
What about you?
I think I'll go for the crispy burger fry.
I'll go for nasi lemak and one piece I am going combo, bro. Let's go, mate. Alright, so finally the order is ready. Oh, looks good in it. What's your first impression? See the food after a long time. You've been homeless for a while without food. Bro, tell.
But I wasn't that hungry, you know.
Okay.
I'm craving.
What about you, bro?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Let's go.
What about you? Feeling
I'm
cold?
so hungry,
Bro, take my jacket.
bro. So cold, bro.
Let's get our coffee, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to wake
I
up.
wanted smoke duck.
Toronto, baby.
Hey, relax, relax.
You, Tarek,
No.
you got the food, you got the crispy chicken.
Yeah.
What's your honest review about the food?
The time was like 40 minutes just to prepare a 3-piece chicken and fries.
I mean, like, is it
It's-
worth it? Like, why in 40 minutes?
I don't know, but boleh lah, the worth it. I'm willing to wait this long just to eat. Not that good.
Okay, not that good. What about you?
I mean,
It's alright.
yeah.
Not bad. What about you?
What was your question?
Oh, you haven't yet studied it. I'll ask you, but okay, let's go. I got nasi lemak here. I think let me try.
Hi guys, the sauce is
Wow.
there, bro.
Oh, tomato sauce?
Alright, guys, we already arrived. We park our car there and just we have to little walk.
Show the halgoum, bro.
Little walk. Can see the people.
Show them the halgoum, bro.
Hagum, huh?
Sweet, Turkish sweet.
Turkish sweet, huh?
Oh, so tasty, bro.
And then we have to like little walk inside this forest. Let's see what they have inside. Vamos. All right, let's go.
You have a picture here?
No, when we come back lah, it's too early to take. Hey.
Bro,
Little walk.
this is the dangerous. Like,
No, it's going down. The dangerous one.
Seriously?
Just
This is
watch.
the-
Shut
bro.
the fuck up and watch.
Our tour guide, huh? Have to be. Hey, first Allah. What is this tour guide?
Come, let's go. Tahan.
What? Well,
Penat tak?
nice but.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We're almost near the first pit stop.
How many minutes you have to like walk like this?
Walk up is like 15. Going down at least 15. Depends on how fast you go. Because
For me-
going
for
down
me-
is dangerous.
For me, I always fast, bro.
Always, sometimes you need to take it slow.
I can't be slow, you know. I have to go first.
Yeah?
I have to go fast, man. But this is hard part for me.
Yo.
We just escaped the town,
Yep.
come into the forest,
Yeah, we're going to the beach.
and then going to the beach.
I'm tired.
You already tired?
Nah lah.
What kind of tour guide, bro?
I'm the tour guide. You bayar me, bro. Where the money, bro?
Yeah, aku tak bayar sial. Mana ada bayar.
I didn't know I'm a tour guide now.
Thank you, brother, for bringing us here.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, but didn't expect it to rain. Hey, hey.
Okay, guys, my tour guide said this is the hardest part for trailing back. Oh my God, this is for realists.
My God.
This is really dangerous. Hey, Tarek.
It's hard, bro.
Fuck you. You say it's easy,
Let's go,
right?
bro.
Yeah.
It's-
Fucking go
It's
now.
so hard. Tarek, susah lah, sial.
Eh, mak kau yang susah. I can do this, you can do this.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
What the fuck?
Astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah. Look at this. Oh. That's
So it's not easy.
it's easy, bro. It's really easy. It's not something hard.
Wait, family, wait for the others. Don't go. Oh, you can use the rope. Sammy, jap. Wait for everyone. Wait for everyone. In case jatuh ke apa. Tunggu jap.
What a place, bro. This is, to be honest, it's a bit risky because it was raining. Look at the road, man. It's muddy and oh. You all good, boys?
No.
Feeling
It's so easy trails, lah, bro. Why you said it's hard?
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Where is our tour guide, bro? Hati-hati. Let's go, boys. It's crazy, bro. The route is crazy. Look at this. Ow. I have like ankle injury lately last night.
Did you bring the cloth for us to sit on?
Oh, sorry, bro. I didn't make it. It's alright.
What the fuck? How you gonna sit? Okay, we're not gonna sit.
So, Tarek, we are here, huh?
Yeah, we made it. We made it.
We made it, guys.
Finally
Look at
beach.
the hidden gem in Port Dickson. Not everyone knows that, man. This is the something else. Very beautiful water, crystal clear water, and the small beach. I think it's gonna be fun, though. Yeah, let's go find a spot, chill with my boys, bro. The water is crystal clear, man. Finally,
Come on, this way, this way.
you think you made it?
We made it.
We made it. We made it. We
Now
made
the tide
it.
is low. The sea water is supposed to be here. And now it's going down. At 5 p.m. it will go up.
We made it.
لا لا في
That's crazy, man. Look at the view. Let's go. Let's have some walk, man. I bring my phone along. I think so far I'm safe. Inshallah. Bro, look at the water, man. It's pure clean, bro. So clear.
What's up, man?
Oi, living life. Oh, man, where are you? Are you in Thailand, Vietnam?
Nah. You know where's this?
What is this?
This is in Yemen.
Yeah, man, Habibi, Zurri, yeah.
Look at the Zuri there.
Yo, Zurri, what's up, dong? And then?
And then
And then what the fuck? Bro, like we're chilling, man.
This is Malaysia.
This is Malaysia, guys. Malaysia through Asia. You should travel, man. You should travel.
Where are you from, brother?
I'm from Africa, brother.
Africa.
Yeah, I'm from Tunisia. Anta Arabic malum?
Arabic.
Bro, want to fun, want to jump, but it's not. It's shallow though.
Come here.
Let's go. Let's go.
Down, guys.
What is this?
Go like this. Come in here. One, hiya. Let's go down. Up, me. One, two, three.
Right. How are you guys? Where are you from?
French.
French? Yeah, he can speak French. Bonjour. Well, you're so fast, huh? It was fun. Wait, do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it?
Of course I like, bro.
What's up? What's up, dude?
Last time I did the flip back, you know.
What is this?
Back here.
That's what?
I kissed
Hey, sorry, man.